It's one thing that people are most afraid or unable to part with when they're selling their home. I go on listing appointments very often, and yesterday I went on my second appointment with the same people who are getting their house ready for sale, and they wanted me to check the progress of work and stuff like that. So I went there, and I still see piles and piles of boxes in the basement, in the bedroom, in the closets, with stuff that they haven't even seen for the last 7 years. They haven't even opened the box. So when you are moving, especially when you're moving out of state, you have to get rid of stuff anyway. So why don't you just go through boxes one by one? I told them, get the dumpster, get through the boxes, and whatever you haven't used, like in 10 years, you are not going to use it anyway. To be quite honest, I'm not sure what's most scary about stuff like that for people. I think the biggest obstacle they see is actually getting to the boxes, opening them up, and going through things one by one. Because I understand some of the things might be like memories, cherished items, souvenirs, but believe me, you don't need them if you haven't looked at them for 10 years. And I know I'm kind of different because I am a maniac as far as cleaning my closets and my drawers goes. I clean everything. By clean, I mean I declutter every 6 months. I think it's not healthy, but that's what I do. Whenever I do it, it always makes me so happy. I feel so accomplished, and actually it's like cleansing to me. That's the thing. I don't understand why people cannot part with things that they haven't looked at for 10 years at least, and knowing that they cannot take all that stuff with them because they are, for example, downsizing or buying another property, and they don't want to have too much stuff in the new house. So if you are planning to sell your house, start decluttering right now. Go room by room or box by box. Put everything that you want to keep in one corner in the basement, and the rest just put it in the dumpster.